So let's just turn within. Mother, Father, God, infinite presence. Christ within me, Christ within us, Christ all around us. We breathe into this moment knowing we are held. We breathe into this moment knowing we are guided. We breathe into this moment knowing we are empowered. We call into this moment every soul gathered here, every seeker, every skeptic, every weary traveler who dared to show up today. May our hearts be cracked open. May our compassion rise. May our courage be activated. Spirit, make us instruments of healing, channels of generosity, and embodiments of radical love. If you haven't already done so, I invite you, if it's comfortable for you, to close your eyes, unclench your jaw, drop your shoulders, and let your breath become your sanctuary. With every inhale, feel the light expand. With every exhale, feel it radiate outward toward family, toward neighbors, our city, our village, this village. This village that has no center and has no circumference, for it encompasses it all. Now take this moment to imagine someone who needs nourishment today. Someone who needs shelter. Someone who needs dignity. Someone who needs hope. And then let the Christ light flow to them without hesitation, without judgment, and without fear. Feel that truth right here and right now. Feel that truth, because giving is not depletion, giving is circulation. Giving is God in motion. Giving is what we're being called to do. For if we believe we are infinite abundance, how can we worry about what we give away? The storehouse is always full. And the need and the completion of the need has already been done in you, as you, and through you. So just take one more breath and anchor yourself. And repeat after me, I give from my Christ self.
I give from my Christ self.
And I am replenished as I give. I give of my Christ self.
I give of my Christ self.
And I am replenished as I give.
And I am replenished as I give.
I invite you just to sit with that for a moment and ask yourself, who am I being called to be? Where am I being called to go? What am I being called to do, and for whom? Who am I being called to be? Where am I being called to go? What am I being called to do, and for whom? Now, in Unity, we believe in radical inclusion, and that means the traditional and the contemporary. We believe that God acts in us, as us, and through us. We believe that sometimes in our humanness we get in the way of our spiritual good. The other that you see, that is a reflection of you. The one over there, that is the shadow of you. So I invite you in this moment, right now, right here, in this place, to go within and to talk to God, the God that is you, the God that moves through you, and the God that operates as you. Talk to God and ask Him, or ask her, or ask it, depending on where you're at on your spiritual journey. Not only about you, but about them and about us and about the power that we have. Because if there's one thing I know to be true is that God is always there, like a best friend.
If you talk to God, ask Him about me, you'd be talking to my dearest friend. He can tell you anything you need, and He knows exactly who I am. If you're scared of where it's going, what you feel I put you through, talk to God. Let Him talk back to you. I could tell you all about how I grew up. It wasn't easy. Man, it made me tough. Someone stole from me when I was young. That innocent, sweet little one my mama gave us. Everything we had, my hero. It wasn't easy. And then she showed me how to never give up. I've seen hands breaking over skin, too young to ever step in. I could tell you all about it, but you should hear it from Him. So if you talk to God, ask Him about me, you'd be talking to my dearest friend. He can tell you anything you need, and He knows exactly who I am. If you're scared of where it's going and what you feel I put you through, talk to God. Let Him talk back to you. Gave my whole life to the church. I lived every single word. For how I love, they showed me the door. Oh, but He could tell you more. So if you talk to God, ask Him about me, you'd be talking to my dearest friend. He can tell you anything you need, and He knows exactly who I am. If you're scared of where it's going, what you feel I put you through, talk to God. Let Him talk back to you.